Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So we had 2 sessions and we took the stress level. So the first session was 9 out of 10 and the blood pressure was high, 142/70. The second session, the stress level was 7 out of 10. How do you feel now from 0 to 10 about the stuff we worked on?
Like 0 as far as letting it go.
0, yep, okay. Okay, we did not have this number before. 114.
Wow,
this is
that's
your
a huge
lowest ever.
teenager.
114.
Wow.
So the first day it was 140. It's right here. 142/70. Your heart rate was 58. The second day was 126/62. Now it's 114/59. So that's your norm.
Wow.
And that's a sign that the internal stress is decreasing, because when we stress, when we have PTSD, the blood pressure goes up, the heart rate goes up. When the body is calm and in the parasympathetic state, blood pressure is. So after having the BPT, what would you say to patients that experience anxiety, depression, or PTSD based on your experience with 20 years of residual trauma, memory, and having psychotherapy and 12 different medications?
I would say this is like a miracle. I just been and truly searching for 20 years for an answer because I had horrible headaches along with everything else the whole time. I mean, this is just, if you have those problems, you need to come to ASTAR and get these treatments. I mean, there's nothing like it. I'm 100%.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.